Hi friends, this video will teach you how to delete a like on Facebook. So do well to watch the videos to the very end. The first step is to open the Facebook app on your home screen. Then you navigate to the post you want to remove your like from. Let's give a like to this post. So you find your likes on the post. It usually appears as a blue thumbs up icon or a reaction emoji. You tap the like once. You tap on the like once and the like will automatically be removed or deleted from the post. And if it's an old post, you search for the group name or the person's name. You scroll through to locate the posts you have liked before. Then you tap on the like icon once to remove or delete the like. So that's it. Your like will be deleted from the post. If you find this video helpful, do well to like, share and subscribe for more video tips. Bye and see you in the next video.